Hello everyone, welcome to latest news updated program. Here you will get to see on the daily basis topic wise current news under the latest news updated program. Today the topic of discussion is vice presidential election in India. Now let's see why in news. Recently CP Radhakrishnan has been nominated as the National Democratic Alliance candidate for the upcoming vice presidential election on 9th September, currently serving as the governor of Maharashtra. Vice President of India is the second highest constitutional office as per Article 63 of the Constitution, serve as the ex officio chairman of the Council of State. As stated in Article 64, to be eligible, the Vice President must be a citizen of India, at least 35 years old, qualified for a Rajya Sabha membership, and not hold any office of profit. Electoral process of a Vice President elected by the Electoral College, which include elected and nominated member of Rajya Sabha and elected member of Lok Sabha, hold office for 5 years with the option to continue until a successor is appointed. Resign by addressing the president and can be removed through a resolution with a 14 days notice. Act as a president in a case of vacancies or when the president is absent with all corresponding powers and privileges. Now is time for practice question. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the election of the vice president? Your option is A. Article 63, B. Article 66, C. Article 69, D. Article 70. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.